Searching for a Udemy coupon code before buying a course? That's probably a smart move, because many of Udemy's most popular courses can be purchased for a fraction of their regular price during promotions. And right now, there couldn't be a better time to invest in new skills. Whether you're learning ChatGPT, AI, Python, data science, digital marketing, AWS, cybersecurity, web development, project management, or business skills, Udemy has become one of the go-to platforms for practical, career-focused learning. What's interesting is that many people aren't using Udemy just to learn a hobby anymore. Freelancers are using it to offer higher-value services. Agency owners are using it to stay ahead of competitors. E-commerce sellers are learning AI and marketing automation. SaaS founders are improving technical and business skills. And professionals are using certifications and career accelerators to stay competitive in a rapidly changing job market. Some of the biggest trending categories right now include generative AI, AI agents, ChatGPT, machine learning, cloud computing, data analytics, Python programming, and digital marketing. The good news is that many premium courses are currently available at heavily discounted prices, with some courses starting around $11 to $12 instead of their full listed price. So before paying full price for any course, check the description below. I've included the latest Udemy discount link, available coupon offers, and current deals that may help you save money on your enrollment. If you're already investing time into learning new skills, you might as well get the best price available. And if you enjoy finding verified coupon codes, software discounts, online course deals, and learning resources that provide real value, subscribe to the channel, because that's exactly what we share here on a regular basis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.